Yo, what's up guys? If you are stuck on this annoying Google verification screen on your Realme C53 and it feels like the phone's literally holding you as a hostage, today I'm about to show you exactly how to unlock it, bypass that FRP lock and bring back your phone back to life. No crazy tools, no paid software, just pure hustle and some secret tricks. So let's get started. You can see my device is locked and I know my password is this, and you can see that it is locked and unlocked, and I can also move to setting and show you the Google account is logging in this device which I have created previously. And yeah, so if you have Google account login into your device and if you try to hard reset or soft reset, then you will need to log in with this same account. All right, I mean the same account you need to log in, else your phone will be like iCloud lock and you are not able to move that. But in this case, in this Realme C53 phone, this phone have a bug and I can show you how you can bypass it. But this is like education purpose. I'm not here to like go against company and do shit stuff like that. So I'm just going to demonstrate this as an education purpose. And also please do not try on the stolen phone, guys. Come on. So yeah, first thing is that you will need to power off this device. So let's say that you are not able to unlock this phone. You can tap and you are just out of lock on every pin. You forgot the pin basically. So let's say that you guys forgot the pin, and what you're gonna do, you basically need to hard reset. All right, else it's not going to lock and you just can't do like factory reset at all. You will need to do hard reset. Well, I have already covered on how to hard reset this phone and also how to factory reset this phone. So if you are up to that, you can check this video on card. So in this purpose, I will demonstrate to you step by step. So let me first hard reset this. So to hard reset, you need to power this phone off. So let me power off by tapping on power off. And now you can see the vibration just hit my hand. Now this is completely turned off. Now to go to boot recovery mode, you need to first press the power button for a second. 1 2 3, it's done. And then you guys will need to press power button and volume down button, and once you see the Realme logo, release both of the buttons and it will take you to recovery mode. So to go to recovery mode, you need to press power button and volume up. So press power button, volume up, and there you go. Now you guys are on Android recovery mode. Now you can use volume down to go down and simply hit this wipe data factory reset. So power button to select this, and yes, you want it to factory data reset. And now it's wiping data and formatting data, and data has been completed or wiped. Now you can just simply reboot by pressing on power button and select that reboot system. Now this will fresh start your Realme. And guys, there you go, we are now in hello screen. So tap on next and tap on English and choose whatever country that you guys are living here, and then you can just agree these terms and you can uncheck this both and hit and continue. So here is the tricky part, guys. If you use Wi-Fi, this will not work. All right, and yeah, you will need to use your secondary mobile here. So let me show you what will happen if you go to Wi-Fi network. So there you go, we are now connecting to Wi-Fi. Now this is going to take you to like the Google account that you have previously logged in, and you are not able to bypass this if you don't know the password. All right, so if you have used a stolen phone, please return that phone to your owner. All right, do not bypass that. And you can see that if you even tap on don't copy, it's going to check for some moments and checking some information. It's probably the same email address that you have entered, and it's now asking you need to use the same pin that you have. All right, so you don't know the pin right now and you will go with the Google account instead. So what's going to happen, you will need to input that Google account that you have already logged in into your device, And as you guys can see that you need to verify your Gmail account. So now this is not going to work for you because you guys will need to use the same Gmail that owner have used on this phone. So if this is not your phone, I will recommend you guys to return this phone to the owner. If this is your own phone and you are stuck in this process, then you guys are lucky that you found this video. So let's go back because we know that it will not work for you. So first thing is that you will need to forget this password or forget this Wi-Fi connection. So then take the secondary phone. All right, you must have a secondary phone with your SIM or data. So let me put this side by side. So I'm using Samsung here, and in this device you will need to turn on hotspot. So go ahead and tap on setting, connection, mobile hotspot and tethering. And in hotspot you need to turn on the hotspot basically. I'm just going to give this like name here. You can set up your hotspot and input the password and tap on save. And also make sure that you guys have turned on the data because you will need a working hotspot. I mean the internet that is enabled. You can you can use any phone and it doesn't matter. Now I'm connecting to this network. As you guys can see, we are connected. So now as soon as you hit next, you need to turn off this mobile hotspot, or you can simply turn off the hotspot from here. Next, and turn off. So you should see Google service screen, but if you see these copy apps or whatever, you need to go back and rinse and repeat the process. You can just hit the back button and you can go back to Wi-Fi menu and then rinse and repeat. So let me try again. All right, it's not switching. So as you guys can see or not, it just worked. Right now it just doesn't work right now again. To go back. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna spam it, okay? Next and this button. And you can see that now you are in Google service. So you will need to do this again and again until it let you go to this Google service. Now you can just swipe down, turn this off and accept. And as you guys can see that you can straightly skip this everything. Turn this off, turn it anyway, turn off, update overnight. And also I'm just going to skip this. I don't need this. So here you are guys, and now you don't need to use hotspot anymore on this phone. This phone is now useless. Now you can use your Wi-Fi and get started. And this is how you guys can bypass the Realme you know, this is called like a FRP bypass. So this is it guys. It took me long, but yeah, it is worth that. I was able to show you guys on how it works. So this is how you should bypass the Google account on Realme. This is Realme C53, as you guys can see that. So yes guys, once again, do not try this on stolen device because it's not your phone. So yeah, don't do that because it's illegal. So this is a bug and I hope Realme noticed this. So I hope this video helps you out on locking your device as well. So see you guys in the next one. Peace.